Hi everybody, I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today. Right now I'm on the 777-200 in the secret crew restroom. Today I am doing a video to show you all what the crew restroom looks like, what the bunks look like on board the 777-200 in the secret crew restroom. Let's go! Alright guys, so there's 4 bunks on this aircraft, and this is the pillows and comforter that we use. So let me show you guys what every bunk looks like. So that's the controls for the lights, and here is a USB outlet and a outlet for your phone, to charge your phone or to charge any electronic device. And so yeah, this is the bunk. There's another one, and the third one, and the 4th one right here. Here's a phone to be able to call other people on this aircraft. We have a mirror. This is the door. There's a closet. Handles to turn off the area light and turn it back on. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make the bed. Set it up for each flight attendant. They get some rest, go on a break. Comforter. One of these, put it right here, secure it with the seatbelt, and there you go, a well-made bed for the crew member to use when they go on a break. And that's how you do it. It's as simple as that, just like making your bed at home. That is the vlog for today. The crew restroom on the 777-200. That is it. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and supporters, thank you so much for watching all my videos and giving me comments and liking it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.